Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix keyboard problem in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friend. First you have to click on the keyboard, and if you are facing any issue in keyboard, it is crashing sometimes, not opening, and you are not unable to use these features. You can see this, these are lots of features here. So there is a problem, then you have to just go to the settings, and then you have to open your applications, manage apps, and here you have to type Gboard. And if you can't unable to type, you can just scroll it and find out Gboard, tap on it. Now you have to click on this storage, and you can see this clear cache and clear data, and this will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.